So the problem is flow through a pipe of radius r. This has come in 2015 set 1. This is from 2015 set 1. Okay. Flow through a pipe of radius r. The velocity and temperature distributions are given. U of Rx is equal to C1 and T of Rx is equal to C2, where C1 and C2 are constants. The bulk mean temperature, you have given what is bulk mean temperature, with um being the mean velocity of the flow. The value of Tm is all easy, just you have to do the integration. That's it. Do the integration, get the answer, don't get intimidated. That's it. No. I'll do. So what happens? You have Tm is equal to 2 by r square integration of 0 to r. U of Rx is 1 and T is C2 into 1 minus R by R the whole cube, right, into R dr. Make sense? So this would give us C1 C2 C2 is given. We do not know what is C2, right? C1, C2. Okay. Yeah, C1, C2 into we have correct no C1, C2. Okay. C1, C2, which is actually equal to mean. Yeah. C1, C2 is U mean, is it not? UM. C1, C2 is U mean. Why U mean? Because that is a mean temperature. Mean this one. What happened? You get the answer. You get it as D. You got D only. No, C1 extra term has to be cancelled. How do you cancel? C1 extra term is there, of course. No, no, you cannot take like that. They have given C2 properly. C2 they have given properly. So where is the catch? So let us do it. C1, C2 by UM R square, right? Do you get UM here somewhere? Okay. C1 is equal to UM. Option is C, of course. Why? Exactly. That's it. That's it. C1 as UM. Because C1 is UM. Mean, yes. Makes sense? Let us do the integration. So C1 and UM cancels because C1 is equal to UM. That's it. What do you mean by UR of X is equal to C1? It means the velocity profile in the pipe is straight. That's it. That is what is meant by U1 is equal to C1. So mean is what? If it is straight, the mean is the same. Is it not? So UM comes out, this cancels. So this is C2 into integration of 0 to R into R, okay, R minus R power 4 divided by R cube, right, into dr. Makes sense? This can be C2 by R square. You integrate. R when you integrate, you get R square by 2 minus R power 4 by R cube. No, sorry, R power 5 by 5 R cube. So together when you do it, you get C2 into R square cancels here. R cube cancels here. So what you get is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 5. What is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 5? 3 by 5. Oh, it is 3. It is 3 by 10, is it? Outside 2 is there. Where is 2? Here it is 2. So it's 3 by 5. So 6 by 10. So you will get 6 by 10 C2, which is equal to 0.6. Makes sense. Simple. Very, very simple. Should not get intimidated. That's easy. So next question. This is a fantastic question. Every question is fantastic. We have done uniform heat flux, is it not? Yes. This is 2020. We have done it. Okay. So then, yeah, 2019. There is one question. 2019 set one. There is one question. Okay. 2019 set one. There is question. So let us go to 2019 set one. Set one. This is what is told by most of the Kundapurians. No, Kundapur people say that shit. It's shit. Huh? Cinema. Don't talk something like that. ಇಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಾ ಹೌದು ಅವ್ರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನಾನು ಹೋಗುದಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಆ ಚಿಕನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಟ್ಟಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಜಾಗ್ರತೆ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಮಾತ್ರ Okay. What is answer? This has come in 2019, set 1. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಇದೆ. ಹೇಳಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಬೇಗ. For hydrodynamically and thermally fully developed laminar flow through a circular pipe of constant cross section, the Nusselt number at constant heat flux and that of the constant wall temperature is related as. Intadi, why are you struggling on this? ಹೇಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಗಿಂದ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದೊಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಳು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿಯಪ್ಪ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋದು ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ಹಾ ಅದು 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 ಇರೋದು ನೋಡಿ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇರೋದು. A is the answer correct. Okay, so now what is happening is if you notes ನೋಡೋದೇ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ heat transfer coefficient or the Nusselt number is related to heat transfer coefficient. Heat transfer coefficient is related to heat transfer. If you consider constant heat flux, this is how it goes. If it is a constant wall temperature, this is how it goes. Where do you think the Nusselt number is more? Where the heat transfer is more? In the first case, is it not so? This is the answer. Make sense? So, by logic. Okay. Next one has come in. Uh, okay. Next thing has come in 2013 question paper. You're writing the question? You're writing the question? Right. Right. Tomorrow we will start with free convection. IM. Not Saturday. Oh, yeah, Saturday finishes. Heat exchanges, Sunday I will start. So maybe by Monday we'll finish heat exchanges. It's not very high. I'll finish almost all. I think by Monday we'll finish. I'll not go so fast. I can go express. It's easy to go express. Radiation I will take around say 6 hours. 6 to 8 hours. Yes, 6 to 8 hours. We are always jumping the, but it's okay. Whenever time you get tomorrow is a time. I hope you have got some or the other mock test series. We keep attending that. I'm not giving the mock test nowadays because I'm not getting time. So I want you to attend the mock test series from other institutes. Okay, do that. Shall we? Done. I don't know about Byju's, but I'm sure about Made Easy as well as Ace. They are good. Okay. Even Exergic, I have got a good reviews on that. Exergic. These three I've got good reviews. It takes a long time to, it takes a lot of efforts to do a question paper. It's not that easy. Yes, yes, yes. I don't see. I know one question to make. They have a big set of people. It's not simple. For one question paper, there is at least one full question paper. There is at least 200 to 300 hours of efforts. Yes. They would have made the this one. Okay. And that happens only when there's a big organization. One person cannot do it, unfortunately. What one person can do is pick up questions from all the old gate question papers and make a question paper. Okay, and go to chemical, go to this one and do it. That is one of the things. Or he can go for plagiarism. Other institutes, you put it and do it first. That would be caught anyhow. Okay. So, and that is unethical also, is it not? And instead of that, by their institutes, this one. I am not able to do it now. Next, I am only giving you teaching. Okay, understand? Fair enough. So now let us go with 2013. And when I do it, I'll do the best. Let me tell you, just like this. How good this would be? Similar way that would be. It would stand out. Huh? Linked question. Yeah, this question. Even IITs take so much of time to do the one problem. For them that's a different case, but still, it's not that serious for our coaching institutes, but still. 2013 set. 2013. There's no set there. 2 months. Not 2 months. 2 months plus 2 months. 4 months. Water enters a pipe at a rate of 0.01 kg per second at a temperature of 20 degrees centigrade. Pipe diameter of 50 mm and length 3 meters, subjected to wall heat flux, so and so, where X is in meter, and in the bulk mean temperature of the water leaving the pipe is. This is directly substitution of the thing over here. For instance, 1 the first one answer. 104 no. No 62. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. 62 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಹೌದು 62 degrees. Heat flux change ಆಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು x ಇಂದ ನೋಡಿ. Heat flux constant ಅಲ್ಲ. If you think that heat flux is constant, you are gone. You took it as constant heat flux. So there you see x. You took constant heat flux. x ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು. ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆ 104. ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತ ಅವರು ಪ್ರಿಯಂಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. I got only 388 rank because even though I had talent, I did not have discipline. If I had discipline, I would have scored less than 100 rank. ಇಂಥದ್ರೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಬೀಳ್ತೇನೆ. Exactly. That is a Q. Correct. Okay. So it is Q at exit is equal to Q exit is equal to 2500 into 3 meters. Correct. QE is then what they have asked? They have asked bulk mean temperature.
But to take the mean of the level. Bulk mean temperature addition by 2, inlet plus exit by 2.
Yes. That's correct. That's
Take the 3, you will get 104. You take 1.5, you get 62.
See, now what is happening here is, one second, wait. Yeah, I understand. Now Q at the exit I am writing. I'm not saying Q at the inlet. I'm writing Q at the exit. What is Q at the inlet? Q at the inlet is what? Q at the inlet is 0. So now what is the total Q? By 2 you have to do. Average Q by 2 you have to do.
Bulk mean.
Because you're talking about bulk mean temperature. That is the only understanding you have. It varies. It's linearly varying, that too. You see, Q with X varies linearly. So when you have to take the mean, it varies linearly. You take the mean, it is Q max minus Q min divided by 2, no problem. You understand? So everything is based on, there's nothing assumptions or there's no gimmickry here. Oh, sorry. There's no gimmick here. There's nothing as, everything is pure science. ಗಿಮಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಗೇಟಲ್ಲಿ. ಕ್ಯಾಟಲ್ಲಿ ಗಿಮಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಗೇಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಗಿಮಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಟಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. In CAT they give good question. Given 10 minutes time, everybody will be able to solve each question. But you have to solve it in 1 minute. So you have to make gimmickry. But here it's not so. Tell me, any doubts here? No, I don't know what is the method you use. What is it? Which one? Why are you integrating?
dt by dx by dx. Then I took Q dot W as variable. 200.
You got 62? Yeah. That's a much better way. So what do you get? dTm by dx is equal to, what is the equation here? 2q double dash, is it not? 2q of x divided by m dot cp, correct? No? Q by m dot cp, is it not? 1 second.
Into perimeter.
Into perimeter, right? This I forgot. AW. CC no, not perimeter. HP, yeah, HP. No, not here. Q dot into perimeter divided by M dot X, M dot, yeah, M dot CP into X. But Q double dot is also a function of X. So you'll get X square, correct? That's much correct. Okay. So let us see that. So let us do that. dTm by dx is equal to dTm by dx is equal to q double dot into we have to get it as perimeter into x divided by m dot cp, correct? No, do that and see. So what you'll have, q double dot is 2500 x square by m dot cp, and here p is perimeter is what? Perimeter is uh, what is perimeter? Perimeter can be written as area. Sorry, perimeter is sorry, that's correct. X into dx. X into dx. Okay, into p. Perimeter is the same, right? So you get dt by dx. Yeah, this is p into x dx. Fine.
Exact two, 62 will not get 62.27.
That's fine. Correct. But this is a more better way. This is a more better way, more scientific way of doing it. Makes sense? Second one. ಬಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಟಿ is equal to 1 by m dot cp into ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2500 ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವ 2500 into x square p divided by x square by 2 ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಇದು ಏನು ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಟಿ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಯಾವುದರದು ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದಾ.
ఈ మేలే ఎక్స్
dt by dm ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Students, you have to use this. So this one you have to use. So x ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, q ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2500 x ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಂತು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ 62. ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ 62 ವಾಲ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೆಂತ ಉಂಟು, ಬರುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾ 62 ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟಾ? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕ್ಯೂ ಡಾಟ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಇದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಒಂದೇ ಡೇಟಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಲಿಂಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡುವ. ಇದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಕ್ಯೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದು ದಿಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಐಮ್ ಸಾರಿ this equation you have to use. Tm is equal to Ti plus Q dot P by M dot Cpx use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬಂತ 81 correct answer. ನಾವು ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಅದು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಥಿಯರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸಾಕು Done, students. That was the questions. Done. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ 2005 ಇದು ಅದು ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಟೈಮ್ ತಗ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ನಾಳೆ ನೋಡುವ ಸರಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ಐ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ because I hope the students you got the answer no for the previous one. This one 81 you got? No? Try it out. It is just you have to apply this equation. This equation. Q dot is known, P is known, M dot Cp is known, X is known, X is equal to L, Ti is known. Correct? Previous one again? Previous one ಇದು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ dTm by dx is equal to q of x p into simple ಇದರ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಬಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಸರಿಯಾ ನಾನು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್